Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to assemble the Canon EOS 400D after the shutter button was replaced with a new one. Recently I had this camera with the shutter button problems. I had to disassemble the camera, replace the shutter button with a new one, then assemble the camera. In this video I show you how to assemble the camera. This video is part of a video series about repairing the Canon 400D's shutter button. In the first video I showed you how to disassemble the camera, then in this one I show you how to assemble the camera. If you're interested in the disassembly video, the link is in the description below. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to assemble the camera. I will use a PH30 screwdriver and metal tweezers. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. The shutter button was replaced, and now the camera will be assembled. Reconnect the two cables of the top cover. Reconnect the flex cables. Put back the front cover. Put back the side cover. Reconnect the flex cables of the back panel. Put back the back panel. Put back the screws. The camera is assembled, let's test the shutter button. Put back the battery door and the eye cup. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching, and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.